Guys, you see a dog? Where's the dog at? Oh, here it is. This is a YouTube video now. Bruh, I'm not even recording you hitting the folks like a weirdo. I'm just recording the dog here, so.
I hate dogs. What?
I don't know. It has no owner, no tag, no collar. If this is your dog, please comment in the description.
It does have a collar.
It has a collar but no name.
If this is your if this is your dog, come to 1302.
Okay, this dog's new name is Waffle.
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 Come on, Waffle.
Waffle.
Come on, Waffle.
Waffle.
Come here, Waffles. I can see his butt.
Waffle is a mommy dog. Waffle.
I can see his butt. Sit, Waffle. Sit, Waffle.
Why'd you call it turkey?
Waffle. No, call him Murphy.
It's a lady dog.
Murphy.
That's why I say Waffle. Waffle is a boy and a dog name.
Oh shoot.
Scared.
I don't like dogs.
You love Bentley
No,
dogs.
shut up, I do.
Yeah.
What's that?